This is how to withdraw money from ByBit to bank account. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to withdraw money from your ByBit account to your bank account in your country. It is very important you know that this is not an investment advice. This video is for educational purpose, and also do well to check if this app will work in your region. Ensure you watch this video to the end. There's a huge bonus for you towards the end of this video. How do you withdraw your money from ByBit to your bank account in your region? Let me show you. Don't forget to claim your ByBit reward bonus. All you need to do is to download this app. When you download the app, you see this page and you can sign up with either your email or phone number. Also, ensure to use this code to be able to claim your rewards. As soon as you log on to your ByBit app, the first page you see is Home. So this is Home. To check the assets you have, you click Asset. You can see these are my assets. That is the crypto that I have. I want to withdraw this money, but there's something that you need to note. If you click Account, under this account, we have Funding Account and Unified Trading Account. Any crypto or fund in your funding account, you can easily cash them out to any bank or digital payment gateway. You can take them out of ByBit at any time. But any crypto or fund under Unified Trading Account, you can only use such funds to trade in different currency inside ByBit. So if your money or funds or cryptos is in Unified Trading Account, before you can transfer such funds to your bank account in your country, you have to move it to Funding Account. To do that, you come to this place, you click Transfer. Don't forget, we're trying to move your funds, cryptos, from Unified Trading to Funding Account. We are moving from Unified Trading to Funding Account. So you click Switch to switch. So this will switch. This is where you select any crypto that you have funds in. You type the total amount, then you confirm. So such funds in that crypto will move from Unified Trading Account to Funding Account. But since all my money is in Funding Account, and you can see all these assets, my cryptos, USDT and USDC, they are all under Funding Account, so I can move any one of them out at any time. But for the purpose of this video, I want to withdraw this my USDT to my bank account. To do that, you can withdraw this USDT through chain to your wallet, to any other crypto exchange. But to withdraw to your bank account, you have to come back home. Click Home. You click Home. When you click Home, you come to this place. You click P2P trading. P2P trading. Since my money is in USDT, I want to cash out the USDT to my bank account. To do that, that implies that I want to sell my USDT. So I will click Sell. Sell. When you want to do P2P transaction, especially to your bank in any country, automatically the currency in your country will show here. You can click it. It will show list of different currency in different countries. Because I'm selling my USDT, you have to type sell. But in this case, I want to exchange my USDT and send the money to my bank account in my country. So to do this, you have to select a pair that has a good reputation that will not steal your money on this platform. So you're going to look at an individual that has done a lot of volumes. Like all these people, they've done a lot of volume. But the problem with them is that the amount I have is not within their limit. Look at the under limit. These people, they want to sell from 23 million. What me I want to do is a small money, about 23 USDT. That's what I want to send to my bank account. First of all, come to this place. You check if your payment method is here. You choose an individual that will pay through your payment method. You click here, all payment method, all payment method. You can see these are different banks in my own country. So you only need to select your choice of bank. Let me select this bank. You confirm. The essence of that selection is to tell this platform that you only want somebody that can pay to this bank in your country. So you can also configure the amount here. $23 will be like 34,000 Nigerian. You click confirm, so that it will only give you people that can do transaction in this range that you want to confirm. This is when you now start looking for people with good reputations that have done transaction with high volume, that you are sure that they are active on the platform. And you can also take a look at this. If you look very well, you see green button. That implies they are online. You only deal with people that are online, not people that are offline, that will not sit on your transaction. Like this one too is online, and this person has done over 1,412 orders with 93% completion rate. So when you see any of your choice, you just click sell, that you are ready to sell. Somebody like this, you should not do transaction with a peer that is ineligible. So all these people, they are peers that you have to select from. I'm going with this person. He's online and he has done over 1,936 orders. But this is another person. He has done over 6,000 with 99% completion commission rate. This is a good person that you can do transaction with, and the range I want, which is 34,000 naira, is within that range. So you just click sell. When you get to this place, you'll be required to submit your payment method, that is to register your bank. You can see, look at under here, add a bank method. Me, I already have a bank that I'm using, so but you can add multiple banks. After you must have added your bank, you just click confirm. After you must have added your bank, you come back to this place. Look at it with cryptos, because I'm selling my cryptos, or this one. If you want to sell out of it, click the inside and come to this place to, maybe you want to sell 21, you just click 21 and you just click sell. But for the purpose of this video, I will click all. I've selected all. So after you must have selected all, look at it. This transaction will take like 30 minutes. So all you need to do is to click sell. So you can see that this person has done the transfer to my account already. All I need to do is to acknowledge that I've received this transaction. You make sure that you've gotten the money before you release your coin. So you just look at the details of the transaction. You just click release now. This person has sent this money and I've seen the money. You make sure you check everything is okay, check the details and everything is okay. You just click released. You select this place and you click release. Then you type in your authenticator. You can see that the transaction is completed. I've gotten the money in my bank account and you can see transaction completed. When you follow the step-by-step process, it's so simple and easy. You get your money in your bank account and you can see these are the details of the transaction. If you refresh, look at it, my money has reduced. And if you click asset, this will be zeroized now. If I refresh, look at it, there's no money here again. I only have money on my USDC. This is how to do withdrawal to your bank account from any country on ByBit. You now know how to withdraw from your ByBit account to your bank account in your region. Don't forget to use my link and my ByBit code. You'll be able to claim a huge reward, but you have to use the platform to get this reward. Make sure you sign up and verify your account. Also, the best way to make consistent money online is to have your own personal business. This is why you need to check out my YouTube training. I will teach you how to turn your passion, knowledge, and skills into making money with video marketing. Ensure you check it out. The link is below the description of this video. You also need to watch the next video. Those are my 23 apps that earn me money all the time in Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.